Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about all the deductions options available under old tax regime with which you can save a lot of taxes if you are paying the income tax. So since we are almost end of this financial year and most of the salaried employees will be required to submit their income tax declarations. So it is better if you understand all the tax deduction options and also you can plan your tax saving journey from the beginning of the financial year itself so that it won't be a burden for you at the end of the financial year. So you can save a lot of taxes if you understand all these deductions and also this is available under current financial year. So let us discuss all of these one by one. So ATC is one of the most popular section under which you can avail lot of deductions in your income tax. So let us see one by one. So if you are investing in PPF, so you can avail the benefit and also the employee share in PF contribution that is also available in under section ATC. NSCs, that is National Savings Certificate, it's also available if you are paying for NSCs and life insurance premium payment, like if you are paying premium for the life insurance schemes, then also you can avail the benefit of ATC and also children tuition fee. You can avail the benefit of the tax when you are paying for your children's tuition fees and also principal repayment of home loan. So you can avail this as well under section ATC and also investment in Sukanya Samriddhi account. So you can start off your Sukanya Samriddhi account or plan for the girl child and you can avail that particular benefit as well. And the next is ULIPs, that is unit linked insurance plan. So if you have invested in that, you can also avail the benefit of ATC. ELSS. So ELSS is again one of the popular kind of mutual fund, that is equity linked saving scheme. So if you are investing in ELSS as well, you are entitled to avail the benefit of section ATC. But the only catch here in ELSS is so there will be a lock-in period of 3 years or 5 years, something like that, based on the fund that you would choose. So there are a lot of other options, like if you can see under section ATC, you can avail if you are invested or planning to invest in any of these. So you can avail the benefit of section ATC. So the maximum cap for section ATC is rupees 1.5 lakhs. So suppose if your investments are beyond 1.5 lakhs, then the maximum available maximum benefit that you are entitled to get is only 1.5 lakhs. So that's one thing. So let us go to the next option. So section 80 CCC, for amount deposited in annuity plan of LIC or any other insurer for a pension from a fund referred to in section 10. So that is also you can avail and it is already included in section ATC. And the next is section 80 CCD1, wherein employees contribution to NPS account maximum up to 1.5 lakhs. So you can avail the employees contribution to NPS account and again it is included in ATC. The next is section 80 CCD2, that is employers contribution to NPS account. So you can avail the maximum up to 10% of your CTC or salary. So that is one option that you can go for. And the others are ATCCD 1B. So wherein additional contribution to NPS. So you can avail additional rupees 50,000. So you need to remember that we discussed one section earlier wherein employees contribution to NPS account. So this section 80 CCD1 and as well as section 80 CCD2. So they are two different things. So you can avail additional 50,000 which is not included in ATC. So that is also available. So if you are planning to invest in NPS, you can go for that as well. So next section is section 80 TTA. So that is interest income from savings account. Suppose if you are accruing income or interest income from your savings account. So you can save up to maximum of rupees 10,000. And section 80TTB, that is exemption of interest from banks, post office, etc. So this is applicable only for senior citizens, and wherein they can claim up to 50,000. So the maximum benefit that they will get is rupees 50,000. So section 80G, for rent paid when HRA is not received from employer. Suppose if your employer is not giving you HRA, in that case you can avail HRA benefits under section 80GG, but the maximum cap is rupees 60,000. And next is section 10. So that is HRA exemption if HRA is received from employer. Suppose if you are salaried and if you're working on any of the major companies. So most of the companies or organization do provide HRA, and based on that, you are entitled to get the benefit under Section 10. So there is a separate calculation that is related to HRA, and you won't be eligible to get all the HRA or deduction directly, but there are a set of conditions to do that. So probably if you guys need, do let me know in the comments so that I can make a video on that. And the next is section 80E. So that is interest on education loan. Suppose if you or your children have taken any education loan, then you are entitled to get interest paid. I mean the paid for a period of 8 years, and there is no maximum limit. So you can claim this as well. And next is section 80EE, that is interest on home loan for first time homeowners. So that is capped at rupees 50,000. And the next one is section 24, that is interest paid on home loan. So whatever the interest that you are paying on your home loan, so you can avail that, and the maximum cap for that is rupees 2 lakhs. So the next is section 80D. So that is medical insurance for yourself, spouse, and your children. So you can claim up to 25,000 for that. And if you are having a medical insurance for your parents who are more than 60 years old, then you can claim up to rupees 50,000 under section 80D. And next is section 80DD, that is medical treatment for handicapped dependent. Suppose if you have a dependent who is handicapped, then you can claim that treatment amount of rupees maximum 1.25 lakhs. So the next one is section 80DDB, that is medical expenditure on self or dependent relative for diseases specified in rule 11D. So there are set of diseases specified under rule 11DD. You can check it out on Income Tax of India website. So if those diseases are listed in that website, then you can claim that particular medical expenditure, and the maximum cap for that is rupees 1 lakh. So the next is section 80U, that is self-suffering from disability. Suppose if you are suffering from any of the disabilities, then you can claim that amount, and the maximum cap for that is rupees 1.25 lakhs. And the next one is section 80GGC, that is contribution by individuals to political parties. If you are contributing to any political parties, then you can claim that amount. And one thing that you need to keep in mind is the amount should be contributed not by cash but only through online payments like net banking, or even you can do DDs or checks, but not through cash. And the next one is section 80 RRB, that is deduction on income by way of royalty of a patent. Like suppose if you have a patent and if you're getting paid through royalty or something, so you can claim maximum of rupees 3 lakhs under section 80 RRB. So the next and major deduction that is available is standard deduction. So this is a flat deduction for all the salaried employees and pensioners, and this is of rupees 50,000. Suppose you don't have to invest anything, or you don't have to calculate or anything. So by suppose you are getting a salary, then you are entitled to get rupees 50,000 flat as a standard deduction. So it is applicable across all the employees, salaried employees and pensioners. And the next one is section 80G, that is income tax deductions on donations. Like if you are donating any amount to a charitable trust or something, so you are entitled to get 50% of the amount or 100% based on the relief funds and organization. So you can avail that as well. And this is the way that you can understand different deductions under ATC and other sections. And also I have made a video on like how exactly you can calculate whether you can go for whether you need to go for old tax regime or new tax regime. So let me I mean, you can go through the video on my website and you can calculate by yourself like how exactly you need to uh, calculate, or based on these sections discussed, suppose if you are investing in certain categories of or certain sections, so you can calculate by yourself how exactly you need to plan your tax journey so that you can get the maximum tax benefits, or you can save the maximum tax. So you can go to my channel, StreamingBit, and you go to the playlist. So I have uploaded the income tax calculator. So let me scroll down and you can see here. So there is one particular playlist called income tax, and here you can see which different calculators, like calculator related to income tax, and you can see uh, which tax regime would be best suits for you. So you can also go through this video, download the Excel file, and calculate yourself like which tax regime would best suits for you. And if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and share it across your friends. Thank you.